Good morning, students. I am back with another session of learning, and today's class we are going to learn about new concept of near and far. Okay? So I'll give you some examples which will help you understand what is near and what is far. So students, I'm here with the first example to explain you the concept of near and far. Can you see a beautiful house here? Yes. And can you see Pinky here? Hi. Now Pinky is back from school and she has to reach her home. But she is very far from her home. See? Such a long distance she has to cover, right? So she'll walk. And see, now she has reached near to her house, right? She's so close now. Look at the distance. She has covered the distance. Now she is near to her house, right? So earlier Pinky was here. She was far from her house. And now she is near to her house. Students, now this is the second example of the concept. I'm sure you all have seen the match of cricket. There is a batsman in cricket and there is a bowler. Now, before the bowler throws his ball, what does he do? He stands very far from the batsman, right? And then he runs very fast, comes near to the batsman, and then he throws the ball, right? This happens similarly in the game of hockey, basketball, and even football. The players, they come near to the net and then they throw or hit the ball, right? So first they are far and then they come near and then they hit or throw the ball. So I'm here with the last example for explaining you the concept of near and far. What can you see here? This is a train. I'm sure you must have traveled in a train some or the other time. And what is this? This is the railway station, right? Where all the trains come and get parked, right? So what happens to a train? When the train is far from the station, it runs very fast, right? So when it is far, it runs fast. But when it reaches near the station, right? When it reaches near the station, when it has to stop, right? Then it slows down, right? So the train slows down when it reaches near the station, right? So with all these examples, one common thing you must have noticed, that far and near is a concept of distance, right? The girl from school, Pinky, had to reach the house. Earlier she was far and then she reached near the house, right? So there was a distance. Again, in station and train, there was a distance that the train had to cover. So the train is fast when it is far. F-A-R, far, right? It is an A sound word. And when the cricketer has to throw the ball, he comes near to the batsman and then he throws the ball, right? So here is the concept of near and far, and I hope it is clear to you all. Now I'm going to give you an experiment which will help you understand the concept by yourself. Do one thing. Go in front of the mirror. First you stand far from the mirror, okay? And then see yourself in the mirror. You will see a different image of yourself. Then you come closer. You come near to the mirror. You will find a different image, right? You can do this experiment and you can share with me. Now I'm going to share the image of the assignment that you have to do. you can finish it and you can share it with us. Okay? And I hope you'll enjoy the experiment when you will do it at home.